All right, getting in more breaking inputs. In fact, more drama ensuing in the parliament, inside the parliament, as Congress MP Renuka Chaudhary brought her pet dog to the parliament complex. When asked about it, she defended her actions, saying, and let me quote, "The government doesn't like animals. What's the harm if a small, harmless animal comes inside? It is not aggressive." Now, remember, the incident has drawn sharp reactions from BJP MPs. This, as Jagdambika Pal has in fact said that action should be taken against her. But let's also listen in to what the Congress MPs had to say.
जानवर को पसंद नहीं करते है ना सरकार। गूंगा जानवर गाड़ी में चले गए तो इनको क्या तकलीफ है? काटने वाला कुत्ता दिखा क्या? इतनी सी तो है, काटने वाले और है पार्लियामेंट में, कुत्ते नहीं।
सिक्योरिटी कंसर्न
कौन सी सिक्योरिटी कंसर्न है?
उसका भी पास बनता है क्या?
अच्छा बना दो, बाकी तो हम क्या बोले।
All right, let's take this forward with Arun. Arun, what the entire action of bringing in that pet dog inside the Parliament complex, is this also a veiled dig at the stray dog management and the verdict that had arrived just days ago surrounding Delhi NCR?
Well, that's right, Kanksha. You know, Renuka Chaudhary, Congress MP, bringing a pet inside her car, though it did not come out of the car, but the pet was inside the car. And BJP MP Jagdambika Pal took exception of this, saying that, yes, MPs have certain privileges, but doesn't mean that you misuse them. And in that response, what Renuka Chaudhary has said, that's something which is catching everyone's eye. She said that, ये छोटा कुत्ता है, ये काटता नहीं है, काटने वाले तो अंदर बैठे हैं. That's
right.
what she said, and that's something which is, of course, will not go down well with the BJP, and that's why we are seeing that the sharp reaction is coming from Jagdambika Pal and other leaders in this regard, that Renuka Chaudhary bringing a pet in and then making this statement that, kaatne wale andar baithe. So that was a clear, of course, aspersion which she was making towards the politicians, MPs.
Stay with me. In fact, I want to take that forward with Pallavi. Pallavi, it's barely been an hour since the winter session commenced, and we are already seeing some very scathing and unparliamentary language being used by the opposition members, whether it is Renuka Chaudhary saying kaatne wale to andar baithe hue hain, or even a Mallikarjun Kharge saying that drama, jo sabse zyada drama karta hai, wo दूसरों को ड्रामाबाज बोल रहा है. How is now the Treasury going to take this forward, this use of such unparliamentary language against the Prime Minister?
Well, first of all, if you talk about the rules do not forbid. I mean, MPs do enjoy certain privileges. I think that a security issue which whoever was asking her about would only have come out if the pet dog was allowed to come out of the car. We have to wait to see if the Parliament wants to take cognizance of that. But I think her statement where she said "kaatne wale andar baithe hain," and for example, muh tod jawab denge by Mallikarjun Kharge, these could be emerging as a problem area for many of us who have been covering the Parliament for years. Akanksha, we have been seeing slowly but steadily a kind of a decline which is taking place in the narrative. The non-chot or kind of tu-tu meh-meh between the government, between the opposition, always happens, whether it's been the BJP in power at the centre, whether it's been in the Congress in power at the centre. But there's a decorum which has to be maintained. Yes, it's a fact that MPs do enjoy certain privileges, but it's also a fact, Akanksha, that there is a certain line which has to be drawn on how you refer to each other. You have to respect the chair. You have to ensure that the kind of language is one which is in sync with the do's and don'ts of decorum. There are very specific cases of decorum which are put out to every parliamentarian. And this kind of language which may be used by, say, a Renuka Chaudhary or by Mallikarjun Kharge may actually be seen as a violation of that decorum. And I think that is where the objection will come in from. Politically speaking, this is exactly what the Prime Minister was talking about, drama and zero delivery. It is a government, it is a party, which is frustrated because of the repeated electoral loss. And that is why the Congress leaders are using this kind of unparliamentary language.
All right, many thanks to you, Pallavi, for putting that into perspective for us. But in fact, interestingly, BJP MP Jagdambika Pal has taken it up, asking that strict action should be taken against Congress MP Renuka Chaudhary.